Hey guys, you're watching Let's Talk About Prepping. In today's quick video, I want to share with you a food ingredient that comes from bees but which isn't honey, and which increases health and protein uptake, and which some bodybuilders use to grow muscle mass. What I'm talking about today is bee pollen. This is the granulated form of pollen from honeybees, and the reason that it can help grow muscle mass is because it's 20% protein in and of itself. But that's not where the real trick comes in. It's also full of branched chain amino acids, or BCAAs. This is what your body uses to take proteins and build them into complex proteins and other things that your body uses. Amino acids are an important part of many, if not most, of your bodily processes, and branched chain amino acids are very complex and important forms of those. And all the protein intake in the world can't help you if your body can't build anything out of that protein. Now, if you're living off of just one kind of thing for long periods of time, your body uses up all the trace nutrients that it uses in the processes of metabolizing those macronutrients. So if you're living off of just protein shakes, or in the case of preppers, just rice and beans and things like that, or even just one kind of meat, you might not be able to digest that fully. And even if you are, you might not be able to build all the things you need out of just the nutrients that come in that food. That's why it's important to have a lot of micronutrient supplements available to you so that your body can extrapolate and begin to use some more complex processes to get what it needs out of your simple food sources. It's interesting that a lot of preppers wouldn't take a vegan diet because they believe that you need to get more than you can out of just vegetables when it comes to proteins. But when it comes to planning for an emergency situation, they're willing to maybe spend some of the most strenuous parts of their lives trying to live on a vegan diet. I think it's important not only to address all of your nutrient needs, and whether that means storing meat, in your opinion, or just a bunch of different sources of protein and the ability to digest them properly. I think it's important to take into consideration all of these kinds of concern and make sure that you will be vital not only in the future but now, because your health now will greatly affect your health later. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope it was interesting, and I hope you'll stay safe out there.